Topic is components of a building. A building has two basic parts or component. First is substructure or foundation buried in soil, and second is superstructure. First, substructure or foundation is the lower portion of the building, usually located below the ground level, which transmit the load of the superstructure or building to the supporting soil. All load transmit to the supporting soil. A foundation is therefore that part of the structure which is in direct contact with the ground or soil to which the loads are transmitted. Means foundation transmit the load to from building to the soil. This is the substructure of foundation, buried part of the structure. Second basic part is superstructure. Superstructure is that part of the structure which is above ground level and which serve the purpose of its intended use. A part of the superstructure located between the ground level and the floor level is known as plinth. In between the ground and floor is plinth. Plinth is therefore defined as the portion of the structure between the surface of the surrounding ground and surface of the floor, immediately above the ground. The level of the floor is usually known as the plinth level. The portion between the ground and floor is known as plinth, and floor level is known as plinth level. The built up covered area measured at the floor level is known as plinth area. Now a building has the following components. First, foundation. The basic function of a foundation is to transmit the dead load, live load, and other loads to the subsoil on which it rests in such a way that a settlement are within permissible limits, not unequal settlement, without causing cracks in the superstructure. And second purpose, soil does not fail in shear. Since it remains below the ground level, the signs of failure of foundation are not noticeable till it has already affected the building. So, design of foundation should be very carefully. Second component or part of the building is masonry units. Masonry, brick masonry or stone masonry. In this category, walls, columns, etc. Masonry may be defined as the construction of building units bonded together with mortar. Building units means brick, stone, concrete blocks, etc. Masonry units may be stone bricks or precast blocks. Valves may be either load bearing or non-load bearing. Load bearing valves are those which are designed to carry the superimposed load transferred through roofs in addition to their self weight. Non-load bearing valves carry their on load only. These are the partition valves. In case of framed structure, most of the valves are non-load bearing valves. A column is an masonry unit. In masonry unit, second part is column. A column, generally known pillar. A column is an isolated vertical load-bearing member, the width of which is neither less than its thickness nor more than 4 times its thickness. A pier is a member similar to a column. Pier used in bridge. Intermediate supports are known as pier in case of bridge. Third is floor structure. Floors are the horizontal element which divide the building into different levels for the purpose of creating more accommodation within a restricted space, one above the other, and provide support for the occupants, furniture, and equipments of a building. The floor of a building immediately above the ground is known as ground floor. All other floors which are above the ground floor are known as the upper floor, not first floor, second floor, third floor. First ground floor and all other upper floors. Every floor has two components. First, subfloor, which is a structural component to impart strength and stability to support the superimposed load. And second part, floor covering or flooring, consists of suitable floor finish. Floor area is the usable covered area of a building at any floor level. Floor area ratio FAR is defined as this is the important term. FAR, floor area ratio, is defined as the quotient obtained by dividing the total covered area or plinth area or floor area on all floors and divided by the plot area. The FAR, floor area ratio, is equal to total area covered by all floors upon plot area into 100. This is the FAR percentage or FAR, floor area ratio. Fourth component of a building is roof structure. A roof is the uppermost part of a building. A roof consists of two components: the roof decking, this is the structural part, and the roof covering. Fifth part is door, window, and other openings. A door is a movable barrier provided in the opening of a wall. Actually, opening in a wall is known as door to provide access to various spaces of a building. A lintel is a horizontal structure member provided over the door windows. Lintel is a simply supported beam, is a horizontal structural member provided over the door windows or other openings to span the gap so as to support the superimposed load carried by the wall above the opening. An arch may be provided to span the opening in the place of a lintel. Sixth component is vertical transportation structure. Basically, in this category, under this category, stairs. Vertical transportation structure. These consist of stairs, ramps, ladders, lift, and escalators, etc. to afford access between various floors. Alternatively, a stair may be defined as an arrangement of treads, risers, stringers, newel posts, handrails, and balustrades, so designed and constructed as to provide an easy, safe, and quick access to the users of different floors. In simple, stair is a series of steps. And seventh component is last, building finishes. Building finishes are used to give protective covering to various building components and at the same time they provide decorative effect. Building finishes consist of the following item. First is plastering. Plastering is building finishes. Plastering, second pointing. Pointing is a technical term and discussed in another lecture. Painting. Painting, all types of painting for internal walls and external walls. Varnishing and polishing. Varnishing basically used for wooden items and furnitures. Whitewashing, distempering, color washing or coloring. So these are the basic parts or components of any building. Thank you.